Yeah, I need the goggles. That's how bad it is. All right, so we're out here during the blizzard because Ellie needs to use the restroom. Oh my God. Oh, if I didn't have these goggles, I would not be able to see right now. Oh, okay. That's a lot of snow. Oh, okay. That's crazy. Yeah, this is nuts. But the girl needs to go. Alright, we're trudging our way back. Ellie's very particular about what she likes to use the restroom. So, especially in the morning. Yeah. Right now we're in a big wind tunnel. And luckily, the wind is going in the direction that I'm walking, so I'm not facing it. But man, I could feel the wind pushing against me when I was going in that direction. Alright, I'm gonna put the phone away because my hands are freezing. And we're going straight back. Right. Oh my God. This is up to my thigh. Yeah, Ellie. Yeah. Let's go. Go. We got this. Out again. This time Amy's here. She is also wearing her snow goggles.
This is my knee. What the heck? I was gonna fall back, but then I remember last time I fell, I got poisoned by bacteria.
Crazy.
Hello.
Hello, how's it?
Not as bad.
So the worst is over here?
I think so.
That one is a... Nice.
I can't go on the monkey.
Wow. Nice. That's the wind. Wow.
Wait, that's actually good. That's good. I like it.
I'll let you know what happened earlier later.
I forgot to take videos.
They dropped that on the table. All it would take is one push. And then
Alright. Dumpling making station. Yeah, we didn't vlog any of this. And by we, I mean me. And then if we go over here, excuse the mess over here. There's the filling and then the thingies. Yep.
your massive dumplings.
Oh, you're not doing the lazy way.
Just one.
It's for the camera. Alright, we're gonna go keep making more. Bye.
There we go. Dumplings. Ah, it's leaking. Okay. Dumpling, dumpling. Oh, it broke.
We're doing this thingy. I don't know what it's called.
I don't know. Like a gel, not gel, sparkle painting thingy. Wow.
Nice. Alright. Update. Yeah, I avoided doing like the ones that were major, but I have no choice now.
I mean, the brown ones aren't.
Too bad. Yeah, but I'd say like that's the third worst.
Yeah.
You have just crazy design.
Yeah, F is a lot. And then I still have to do all the black. And then the green.
It's okay, you have 13.
13 what?
Like that gemstone that says 13.
Oh, my singular.
No, you have 2. There's that.
Why did you get so many big ones here? Oh, they're black. Wait, you have multiple colors in the back?
Yeah.
Mine is just all beat.
No, you have some too. All right, almost done. We are both on our last color.
What's that song that's like, back to black?
I don't know.
That's the song, right?
I have no idea.
Huh. It all comes back to... I think.
All right, well, while she figures that out, we will continue on our journey.
If I figure it out, it'll be right here.
Yeah. I'm gonna put it right here because there's more empty space here.
That's right.
All right, we are done. Would you like to hold your... Wow!
Wait, turn the flash on. Oh, you couldn't.
All right, there we go. With the flash. You wanna hold it up?
Is it actually shiny?
Sort of.
You want me to?
Wow. It only took us a little over 3 hours. Like 3 hours and 15 minutes.
My turn to take.
Like,
Oh, that's a lot of
Hello! Wait, it's too fast. Yeah, that's it. Wow! But you literally went up as I started recording. Ooh. Oh wow, look at him go. Yeah. Wow!
Oh. Okay. Okay.
oh, easy.
You got it. You got it. You're good. Whoa. Yeah.
How do you get
Let's
down?
do that. Easy.
You got this.
Oh, yeah.
Yay.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Because he's tall, it's like that reach is different.
Nice.
No one's right.
Oh.
Yay! That was funny.
There's no way.
You can definitely do it.
That's really
Just sit here. Yeah. We're just like trying to put your leg. Yeah.
nice.
Oh.
Picture.
Yay.
For the Learn to Lead class, you need to buy the front desk. Learn to Lead part 2 is buy the front desk.
The one by your knee, yeah.
Ooh. Nice.
Nice.
I feel like it's up.
I got it. Yeah, just like.
Yeah, because it comes down too fast. And it just kind of. Yeah. No, just like when I. Oh.
Yeah. And like I can, and then like immediately like concept. Wow, that's so fast.
T-shirt. I've been slacking. It's okay. It's okay. This month I'll maybe be working. Yeah. It's not.
We're trapped because these geese won't move.
Do I just go the long way around?
Just honk.
You do not care.
Don't care if there's one there. God.